Oh, welcome to my office. Come on in. Yeah, so let me share with you some file management tips I've been using for a really long time, and it really works for me. You see, I have my clipboard, and clipboards are really good for holding notes too, and I got a folder I'm working on here. These things are records that I have. They're kind of in order, kind of by height. They go by height. Over here under my mouse, this means it's really important stuff because I keep it under my mouse like a paperweight under the keyboard. This stuff is, I think it's from last year, the year before. I've been meaning to go through it, I just haven't done it yet. And back here, this is my to-do. Yeah, I gotta file that stuff soon, and this is, it's kind of a work in progress, but let me show you this drawer. This is really neat, see? This is really cool. I got this done, and in the folder I have, well, I'll get to that later. Anyhow, so my clipboard, it's got all these nice notes.
One of the best ways to start and complete big projects is to break it down into smaller chunks. There are two important benefits for you to do this. The first is that you won't feel the overwhelming weight of the whole project at once. The second benefit to you is that with the completion of each smaller piece of the big project, your motivation will stay high to help keep you on the path to achieving your goal. For this project, take one section at a time and pile it into one big pile off to the side. Then, use what I call the one touch and done method. Start at the top of the big pile and pick up each piece of paper in each file. Once that paper is in your hand, you either have to throw it in the recycle bin or stick it neatly back into the file that then goes into a useful place until the next time you reduce and condense your papers and records in the future. As you can see, everything is nice and neat and clean. I've even cleaned the desk, the monitors. Everything is put away. My recycle bin is actually pretty full from getting rid of all this old paper. I work this one unit at a time, and I gotta tell you what, I feel really, really good about this. I had a fresh piece of paper, I had the pencil ready to go, I've already started taking notes for the next big project, and that's to tackle the digital file mess on my desktop in my computer. And I'm gonna show you some really cool tips on how to neaten that up and make things really efficient. If you found this video entertaining or helpful, make sure you share it with a friend. Leave a comment below, and please subscribe to our channel and help us grow so we can continue to make good videos on giving you good tips and tricks and hacks on how to become better organized to reach your success, because your success is the goal. See you online.